little shy, you just won't have it.
And Aaron Johnson.
Take us out.
And in first place, we would like to welcome to the podium Canada Rivera and Lonnie Hilton. And representing the winning manufacturer, please welcome to the podium Jari-Matti Lappala, Team Principal of Toyota Gazoo World Rally Team. Now please stand for the national anthem of the winning driver. The trophy for third place for Formo and Alex will be presented by Rodrigo Ropa, the Vice President of Sport for Africa. And the trophy for second place will be presented to Taka Katsuta and Aaron Johnson by Ababu Namwabe, the Cabinet Secretary of Youth Affairs and Arts and the trophy for first place to Kalle Robert-Pera and Johnny Houghton will be presented by His Excellency William Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya and Commander of the Kenyan Defence Force.